Is life getting scary and depressing? Can you not find any escapes from the chaos of the outside world? If you answered yes to any of these questions, try finding something to laugh at, from cat pictures to sarcastically relatable images. What I'm describing can best be understood as the wonderful world of memes. My name's Connor Campbell, meme extraordinaire. Growing up in the current age of technology has led me and many others to use these ironic internet jokes to cope with the trauma that comes from living in this mad world. You may have heard of some of these memes, from friends, family, or even public influencers, such as Dat Boy, Doge, and the ever-evolving meme app known as TikTok. Today I intend to look into the history of these internet funnies and how one may appreciate the stress that these jokes can take off. First things first, it's important we go over what makes memes what they are and why they are often so enjoyable. The concept of a meme has changed very much since both the inception of the internet and much further back. Webster's dictionary defines a meme as, quote, an idea, behavior style, or usage that spreads from person to person within a culture. This means that memes before the internet could be considered cultural traditions or superstitions. One prime example of this would be the Red Scare in America during the Cold War, as the common fear mentality was instilled in most Americans during the era. All cultural practices could also be broken down as memes, from not eating meat on a Sunday to changing the time forward and back an hour because it was helpful for farmers. This, however, started to shift as the internet was created and started to evolve. The Oxford Dictionary and Lexico.com now define a meme as, quote, images, videos, or texts that are copied and spread by internet users, often with variations. This definition fits more with what many will call the current era meme definition. The general idea is the same, an idea or behavior pattern that is repeated en masse, but these memes could start to be identified by their witty yet relatable jokes. Here we begin to look at how these memes affect current trends and vice versa. For instance, most memes are based on cultural trends. This applies to these internet memes as well. Some of the earliest internet memes were based around situational comedy. One of the prime examples would be quotes from sitcoms such as Seinfeld or Full House. Others would be reposted images and jokes from shows like The Simpsons. Moving right along, we should also look at how these new age memes evolve. Some examples of these early memes would be as such. First, we have the cute and cuddly cats that just want a cheeseburger. Next off, we would have the brand of memes which were known for their vibrant backgrounds, meant to laugh at the relatable comedy in life. Finally, in these old era memes, we have the comic side, in which comics drawn in MS Paint would feature stick figures featuring these faces enacting realistic yet comedic scenarios. These memes would later evolve into trends that would be followed by people worldwide. One such example of this would be the planking trend of 2010 to 2013, where people would plank in random places. Second example of random trends started by memes would be the rapid increase in popularity of one left shark from a 2015 Super Bowl halftime show. One more example of these trends and memes becoming interconnected would be the popularity of the dances of the whip and the nae-nae. Moving on to the most recent and oddest memes, these show how oddly these trending concepts have evolved. First, we have the somewhat normal trends, this being the popularity of dances from the hit video game Fortnite, the most popular of which being flossing. After that, we have the more concerning memes, such as these, which show how much of the younger generations view this world, namely with pessimism and apathy. Finally, the oddest of the bunch, where the humor for these younger generations has either evolved or devolved, depending on who you ask, to images such as these, where common situations and phrases would be overlaid onto highly altered pictures, thus becoming quote-unquote deep-fried. All of these memes have evolved from one another over the past 20 years, yet the style would have been unimaginable as to how they would have changed. Finally, it's important to discuss how these memes can be important for youths and how to properly enjoy them. First off, with depression and mental disorders on the rise, it is more important now than ever that these individuals have access to coping mechanisms such as these. For instance, studies showed that about 58% of Generation Z suffers from depression, and about 55% of Gen Z suffers from anxiety. These statistics show how bleak the state of mental health is among the newest generations. This further cements how important these memes can be for the uses of coping. Most people will agree that the world is in a pretty chaotic state right now. This has led to many to use these memes as coping mechanisms for the stress of the world. Most, if not all, experts can agree that one effective coping mechanism would be comedy. After all, what was the saying again? Laughter is the best medicine? After all, the primary purpose of memes is to make light of these dark times we're in and to raise a laugh out of the viewer. To this extent, many will come to the same conclusion that I have, that memes can be indeed used for therapeutic purposes through laughing in the face of this chaos. Finally, there are a few steps to properly find the memes needed from person to person. Priority number 1 is that one needs to find a source. This could be video formats like TikToks, or images from Twitter, Instagram, iFunny, or Facebook. Next up, you would need to find the tags that tickle your sense of humor. These tags will take you to specific types of memes that you are looking for. Finally, you can sit back and relax as you enjoy these memes, which have the life cycle of a mayfly. With all that said, now that you know a little bit more about this internet culture, you can hopefully appreciate it more the next time you find yourself laughing at a funny meme your kids or friends shared with you. After all, these memes will continue to evolve both before and much farther after you've seen this video. With that said, stay classy, CPCC.